this is a quick video for those who are starting out. OpenMaya, there's a lot of menus, there's a lot of icons splashed all over. It can get confusing, so I'm here to help you with this. The first thing that you do is press Ctrl spacebar. When you press Ctrl spacebar, most of the things will hide and you can concentrate on your workings. Now don't worry about where did it go. You can press spacebar and get access to all the menus directly. In other things, if you press the spacebar again, if you click on the left, you can bring back paths if you're required. So for example, if you're using shelf, just bring that back. When you select your object, you can do a right click, go to the vertex, edge, face menu or object mode from here. If you are a little fast, you can just go like this. So vertex, edge, face, object mode. All that can be done by just a swipe. If you are in some object mode, you can use shift right click to access the editing tools for that particular sub object. Okay, so it can be face, it will be a little different. If you use control right click, you come to the selection options. Using a combination of shift and control should give you access to most of the tools that you want to use.